To assemble the table, take the first side panel. Notice the panel has hooks and Velcro on it. Insert the side panel into the front panel. Take the second panel. It also has Velcro and hooks on it. Insert that panel into the front panel. Note that the Velcro on the side panels needs to be facing inwards once installed. Insert the stabilizers. Stick the top onto the corresponding Velcro sides. Next is the shelf, which is already attached to the front panel. Simply lower it to use it. To use the gripper system, loosen the screws, but not completely. Just a few twists to release the grip system and allow the posters to slide in and out. Tighten the screws afterwards in order to make it secure. This system enables easy interchangeability for your posters and promotions. It's that easy. You will notice that underneath the tabletop that there is a small clear compartment filled with tiny rectangular pieces of paper. This is the interchangeable SKU pricing. This paper is magnetic. To use it, you simply slide it onto the white rectangular piece of paper that is on the flip system. To interchange, you simply switch it out with the other one. To use the flip system, simply but carefully pop out the front. And as the name suggests, flip the individual parts to create a price. Once that is done, you simply but carefully pop the front part back in. And there you go.